Have you ever wanted to add a table of contents to a document to make it easier to find information within it? imageRUNNER Advanced Desktop lets you quickly and seamlessly add a table of contents to documents that don't already have one, improving their organization, especially with large or multiple documents. Watch how easy it is to do in this video. When responding to RFPs from clients, I send a proposal that consists of a slide presentation for the project and a contract that I combine into a single file. I drag both files over to the imageRUNNER Advanced Desktop Quick Printing tool and drop them onto the Print Settings button. Because I chose more than one file, the Multiple Document Order Settings window opens. I want the presentation position first, so I'll move the contract down in order and select OK. The Canon imageRUNNER Advanced Desktop Editor opens, and you'll see that each file is imported and arranged as a separate chapter. Since a table of contents needs reference points, I must first add page numbers to the document. So I select the Page Settings tab and select the checkbox for Insert Header, Footer into Print Pages. I'll put my page numbers in the footer, so I select Footer drop-down menu and select Page Number. What's that? Why, yes, there are already numbers in the lower right corner of each page. But remember, those are in the original documents, not the combined file I'm preparing. I'll make mine stand out by changing the font settings. To do this, select the Detailed Settings for Header, Footer, Link. Select Footers. Select the text in the Center field and select the Font Settings button. I'll select Calibri as the font. And make the size 16 point. Italicize. And select Fuchsia for the color. Select OK to confirm. And then select OK again. The preview updates, with the added page numbers easily identifiable within the footer. Now I'm ready to create the table of contents. Select page 1 in the preview so that it's highlighted. Select the Print Option tab from the Desktop Editor ribbon. On the Print Option ribbon, select the Insert Update drop-down menu in the Table of Contents section. Select Insert Table of Contents from the Insert Update drop-down menu. The Table of Contents will be created as a separate page, and the settings in this box determine its appearance, including orientation, font size and color, which items, the chapter headings, will be displayed, and where will the page be inserted. I don't need to change any of these, so I select OK. And the table of contents is added, listing the presentation and contract sections with their corresponding starting page numbers. You'll also notice that the table of contents is given its own chapter in the navigation pane. Now that I've created a table of contents, I can edit it when necessary. Let's include the Table of Contents chapter in the Table of Contents. I go back to the Insert Update drop-down menu, and this time select Edit Table of Contents. Selecting the checkbox for Table of Contents will add it to the table, and unchecking Do Not Insert Headers Footers will make sure it's labeled as Page 1 in the footer. Select OK, and the preview is updated to reflect the new setup. I can also update the table of contents if I make changes to my document. Let's say I want the proposed budget from the presentation field broken out as its own chapter. To do this, I select the page, right-click on the page, and select Add New Chapter. Next, I'll right-click on the chapter divider in the navigation pane. Choose Change Chapter Name and name it Proposed Budget. I'll also rename Chapter 2 to Presentation. And Chapter 4 to Contract. Now, when I select the Insert Update drop-down menu and select Update Table of Contents, you'll see that the new chapter, as well as the new chapter names and page numbers they start on, have been added. Now I can send my proposal with the most important pieces clearly identified and with corresponding page numbers, so that my client can find them quickly and easily.